Hello guys, we're here in Ragnarok, the new world. It's a game that has only opened beta test server. I'll just vlog about how to get a wolf mount in the Ragnarok game, right? Okay. This mount is good for archer like this one. Yes. So this mount is you can get through uh, a quest or achievements, right? And if you go to wardrobe and here in the vehicle, you can choose the free amount is the Savage Babe Piki or something like a Purring, and a wolf is an achievement, right? It's like this one. So I just get it like this one, obtain achievements. You can go to the achievements and you'll just kill a monster, about 30k monster, right? Like this one, if you go to like a bat or a bat mount. So I just choose the wolf mount. Then how do I get it is that I go to Pion and I choose this map uh, s- somewhere south of the Pion, right? So this map is has a lot of like a pouring small monster Pokemon. It's like a Pokemon, no, small monster, like pouring and a willow, right? Then here you can auto and all the monster. So it's really easy to farm in this site, like this one. So I'll just try. Okay. So farming this site is very easy because there's a tree spawn for a monster, right? Okay. So I just farm for almost a half overnight, or I think it's a whole day, but it's not a really whole day. It's like just an overnight for a 15k mobs. So I just farm two overnight uh from 12 a.m. up to 8 a.m. So if you farm whole day, you can farm a 30k monster here in Pion. So in Pion, it's not just like the same in the other map. Here you can select any monster, like this one, because Pion is like need to explore. So here you can go here in this site, so you can farm almost 30k monster just for a day. Okay, so just open your wardrobe like this one, wardrobe, and go to vehicle and choose the vehicle you like. Okay, so for me is that it's a wolf, like this one, wolf. Okay, so if you're playing in this Ragnarok the New World in a test server, you can add me up, JChin89, and I'm just level 51 right now. And if you have any questions, just comment. And thank you for watching, guys, and bye.